now.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do.
Yeah, just so
Smart.
appreciate it, boys. Let the community know. Actually, let me put the stream in one of these.
3.
Will you put it in one of the group chats as well? You know what I mean? The ones on like Telegram and stuff too.
Yeah.
Okay.
3 near McDonald's. In Philippines,
Okay.
we
So fun.
we split.
All right. Hey, we see. I see we got Genesis Truffle. I know, dude. I'm sorry, Truffle. The thing is, I didn't know when I opened and began creating this stream link that it was gonna publish and say, "Hey, like new stream is up," because I didn't set a time. It said like begin whenever you start. I had no idea that it was just sitting there on my page saying I'm about to go live. So apologies for the wait. But welcome to the show. I think we're just streaming to the Kate accounts right now. This isn't Wolf Web 3 related. We're just gonna hop on 3 near boys. We got the boys Soos and Monza with us. We're gonna talk about some of the memes that have been going off lately. We're gonna talk about meme.cooking. We're gonna talk about all those sorts of things and potential AMA that we'll roll into at the top of the hour or in 1 hour towards the end. So we'll see if that ends up coming through to talk to company building in Web3. But anyways, if you guys are excited to get into the stream, please retweet the stream. It helps us out a ton. Give these two guys a follow, and we'll get into some of these charts. But how's it going, Soos?
Hey guys, what's up? Kate baited me with his timing thing.
Yes,
so yeah, I thought it's tomorrow, but here we are again. I'm excited for this actually. Got the near McDonald's hat and the redacted shirt. I don't think you guys can see it, but yeah.
We got Monza in the house. How's it going, Monza?
Yo. No, these hats are quality. I'm not gonna lie.
They really
Normally you get a hat at a crypto conference and it just goes like right in the pile or right in the garbage. These hats though,
can't beat your protocol, bro. We got
this shirt. Do you guys see this shirt I'm rocking? The Black Dragon.
I'm wearing the
Body Artist Special.
I'm wearing the
Nico shirt.
Oh yeah, you can't. Someone screenshot this. Somebody screenshot that, please. All right.
Clip that. Someone clip that.
Clip it.
I got it.
Says, what's on the menu? Can I order something? All right. So there are a few things on the menu here, Truffle. So we're gonna just talk about near memes in this stream. So let's pull some things up here.
Let's do it.
Yeah. So what's popping? So Soos, maybe while I'm doing this, you can walk people through what's been happening the last week or so on your protocol in terms of all this craziness.
Yeah. So basically, guys, Near protocol is now pushing to an AI narrative. Actually, Near protocol is an AI chain, and a lot of people didn't know that actually from like a long time ago. So like I have been when you go to like CoinMarketCap, it asks you if you go to the section of AI, it shows you there Near at the top. And a lot of people didn't know that. So Near now we are pushing the AI narrative. We are focusing on it. And our best meme performance so far, it is Perch, which is an AI meme coin, which have been pumping pretty massive lately, not only in Near protocol, but in other chains.
Look at that.
But they have some cool stuff in here. Yeah, there is a lot of cool stuff happening with Perch. It is actually with a live product, guys. So you can actually see you can interact with the AI product. But yeah,
man, hey, you hit all-time highs. What's their X handle?
Who?
Perch.
It's wait, it's all underscore, I think. Wait, or father forgive me, I think. It's forgive me underscore father, me underscore father.
There it is.
There you go.
Okay, yeah, guys. So this is the project. So these are popping off all across crypto Twitter right now. And even though they don't have crazy engagement, it just works. And so, Monza, can you give a quick breakdown of your experience working with one of these things and trying a few out? You've confessed your sins a few times now at this point, right?
He got busted.
Yeah, for sure. I'm also just thinking, should we have bought that shitcoin that rocks these McDonald's hats before we started this stream, probably,
Which
what?
one is it? Which one is it?
MCN.
Oh my god, bro! I lost so much money on that. So
Why,
guys,
dude?
Me too.
token-
But I was just
this
thinking,
token,
like,
guys, I fell asleep on. I was like trading it actively, and I was like, okay, as long as I don't fall asleep, I'm not gonna lose money here because I'm gonna be watching the chart. I'm not gonna let it go down that bad. This token ended up losing all of its strength, pretty much. So I fell asleep right about here. It was ranging, and I was like, oh yeah, I can take a quick little, just like lean my head back for a second. Boom, falls asleep. I wake up around here, and I'm like, oh crap. And I'm like, okay, well, it looks like we're ranging here. We'll probably make a return. So I think I bought back in, and then I said, you know what? Actually, never mind. So we pumped, got out, and then forgot about it. And then I checked like the next day, and we've crashed even more. So yeah, this MCM token, I think it's dead. It's unfortunate too. Some things here.
You know what's funny?
what's
Yeah.
sorry.
They commented the token in the in the stream now. But yeah, who was trying to wake me up to buy the token? It's either Monza or Jay. I
It
forgot.
was definitely me. It was
Oh,
definitely
yeah.
me. But we still would have made money if Cade didn't fall asleep. We're gonna blame it all on Cade on that one.
Well, the thing is, especially with new launch meme coins, Near protocol is way easier. I call it like easy mode. When you do a degen trading, it's not like Solana, man. Solana, you're talking about less than a minute, you get rugged, you know. And I did bridge a lot to Solana to try to do some deging. I always lose, to be honest.
Yeah.
It's not easy. You need to have an eye for it, you know. But in Near protocol, actually, most of it is pretty good. Pretty good. Like, the thing is, you either know who launched the token, you know who's the dev behind it, or you don't know, you know. And we don't have like crazy stuff like what's happening in Pump.fun. I boycotted that, man. I think it's very bad, not healthy for the space. But
Yo, wait.
what's that?
We should probably get into this. We should probably. Is this? launched?
Oh, it's launched. It's launched.
How do I find the CA?
Refresh it. It's migrating, I think, now. Did it migrate or no?
Dude, I'm getting into this. That is
Wait.
I just saw this. I just saw this on Twitter. So this is Alton, guys, the founder of Nuffle Labs.
Mm-hmm.
All right, dude. Why am I just leaking the StreamYard link? All right, so it's just Alton. So let's just see if it comes up.
I actually saw the ticker, but I didn't buy it.
Bro, this is a no-brainer.
You can buy it straight.
How do I can I buy it here?
Yeah. Just put how much you want to buy.
Hold on. Oh, I didn't even realize all these
Add
comments here. So
token.
on a serious note, Truffle says,
token gang.
So on a serious note, do they ship these hats worldwide? They should. I like these hats. I truly like them. I think they're fun. Yeah.
Shout out to Ewan for actually giving the hats and providing.
Shout out Ewan. He was great. He was great. But yeah. Anyway, so those are a couple of the tokens. We haven't even talked about the main token yet, but a bunch of stuff cooking on Near stuff. Soos, do you want to share your screen and maybe jump into the store? Or we can either jump into some meme.cooking stuff, or we can jump straight into something that just came out of meme.cooking, now listed at $1 million market cap. Actually, $1.2 million market cap. Let's
show you guys our Pump.fun version in Near. Okay, so it's actually cooler.
Dude, I can't believe ABG and Purge are hitting all-time highs right now. Crazy.
How's ABG doing? I turned off the chart for the stream for the moment.
ABG's doing well. It's at 1.2 mil. We're up about 8% in the hour. So I should be up on my position. I think I got it around 1.1. So
All right, we just bought some Bolton.
Wait, give me a second.
Some Bolton
Give me
gang.
a second. Give me a second. I need to change my wallet connection. Just
Sue sounds like that guy. He's like, let me tell you something. Give me a second. Give me a second.
wait, I was in the wrong wallet. Anyway,
Huh?
share screen. There we go. There we go. Okay.
Good to go.
All right, guys. So this is meme.cooking. Shout out to Shidzu. Actually, Shidzu is a meme coin as well. On Near Protocol, before they used to be on Aurora, and then Aurora is Near basically, but they bridge to Near and they start cooking. That's why they call it meme.cooking. They are actually cooking. So pretty a lot of product actually to go into Shidzu and what they are doing, but they have been doing a lot of dev works. So it's a meme coin backed with like some really smart developers. So this is the pump.fun version of Near Protocol. Okay, it works in a different way a bit, and they try to make it as fair lunch as possible. So if you go here, it's very simple and straightforward, guys. You click in the cooking here, okay, and it's gonna show you all the tokens that is cooking or it's about to launch live. Okay, so once it hits the bounding curve, the way it works with the pump.fun, it's gonna be the same, but the difference is, okay, and that's where it gets very interesting. Even if you buy at the first 1% or you buy at the last 99%, everyone buys at the same price. So there is no racing to like first come first serve to get it at a better price and try to trade it inside the site itself. No, it need to hit 100%, then everyone gets the token equally, based on the amount of Near they bought into it, okay, but equally in terms of the price, right? That's one. Two, once it's migrated, it will go to refinance, right? That's the main DEX for Near Protocol. And they added a very interesting feature, which is called team allocation. So basically, if you want to launch a token in Near Protocol, it doesn't matter if it's a meme or if it's a project token. You can launch it with meme.cooking because they offer a team allocation. By the way, guys, don't buy anything that I'm opening here. I forgot that I have been sitting in that meme for a very long time. But you can get a team allocation with meme.cooking. So there is like a cliff vesting and you can set the percentage you want. So there is other project on Near that launch on meme.cooking, and they are not a meme tokens, and that survival is Near. So shout out to Vandal there. But yeah, so even if you're not, launching a meme coin, you still can utilize meme.cooking if you want to, and if you want to gather money for liquidity. Soft cap and hard cap, the minimum soft cap is only 100 Near, and you can go with the hard cap, I think, as much as you want. But once the token is done from here, and you will see that the progress will be 100, it migrates to refinance. Okay, and here you can see the tokens that have already migrated, and some of them they didn't launch in meme.cooking, but it was implemented in there, like Prague Dragon, Shidzu. You have here. We need to put Neko here. We have as well Long. So this one wasn't in there, but the biggest performance so far is Forgive Me Father AI. This is like the main AI token become for Near Protocol because it pushes to the same narrative that Near push, which is AI. And they have a live product. You can go, and the basic idea of it is like you confess your sins, and there's an offering. You give your offering, and maybe we can show you the site later on. It's pretty cool.
Has Purge ever hit 30 million before?
I think it did.
It did. Yeah.
Okay, we're at
all-time
30.5 right now.
Woo!
Yeah, that's the all-time high, man. Yeah.
Pushing. We might hit all-time high live on stream.
Wow, look at that.
I just got confirmation from someone, better late than never, and he just aped in right now. Anyway.
Purge into Purge or into what?
Into Purge.
Oh shoot, should we be getting into Purge?
I don't know. I did make.
No, I'm not. Right now, my bags are packed in ABG. We're up about
ABG is cooking. Yeah.
We're
so
about,
yeah,
15% right now. But that's
yeah,
like the
I
only
can switch
play I'm in, other than a couple meme.cooking plays. And then I'm in like all the other meme coins, like a lot of them. smaller positions.
Mhm.
A few bigger ones actually, like Black Dragon, Ref, Nico, Jump are relatively decent sized positions actually, because I feel like their price potential is pretty extreme, especially Jump and Ref. I feel like the price,
Mhm.
depending on what Ref decides to do, bro. Ref, if they start burning their token and buying back like Shih Tzu, Ref could make me so rich and can make anyone so rich if they do that. If they don't do it, you
You have
probably
a
won't be
so we
rich.
understand you have a big bag in Rev.
I have a big bag, and the thing is, like, it just makes sense. Like, if you're gonna invest in Solana, I did the same thing. I bought into Jupiter for Solana.
Mhm.
It's the play. Like, if you believe in Solana, you buy Jupiter because it's like the main dex there. And if you believe in Ethereum, you buy Uniswap because that's the main dex there. It just makes sense.
Exactly.
So that's exactly
It
my
makes
thinking with it. So,
sense. Yeah, because usually the main dex of the chain itself, it's what
mhm.
pumps mostly,
Yeah.
especially in the bull run, right? And you
Yep.
can look at Uniswap. How did it pump? But I'm gonna show you guys the token we are talking about right now, which is refinance. So there is actually a main dex. This is where
Are you
like
sharing your
near
screen
fall a
still?
bit behind. Yeah, I'm going for it. Which is we don't have enough dexes, but Jump DeFi is cooking pretty big, guys. So, but for now we have refinance, and we are talking about FDV of 30 million, and this is like very low, and market cap of, so FDV is like fully diluted valuation for anyone is here new. So the market cap is only 10.8, man. And for a main index of near protocol, this is very low. And if
Yeah.
you look, for example, at Gem DeFi, okay, which is the first aggregated DEX on
I'm pretty
near
bullish on
protocol, you have a multiple X's to hit here. NFA, by the way, don't buy and then you ended up somehow losing and tell me I bought because of Cade and Soos and Monza and I lost my money. But yeah, GemDeFi is very undervalued right now, to be honest. In my opinion, I bought some, and disclaimer, I do get allocation because I work with GemDeFi, so I have a team allocation. But I did bought my bags, and yeah, man, I think it's gonna do a lot here, especially with like GemDeFi going live within a week,
Mm.
I think, or something. So uh, it's very undervalued, man. 1.9 market cap for a DEX on a chain, and 10 million market cap. It's basically nothing if you compare it to like Uniswap for ETH, for example.
Mm.
Soos, do you remember when they did that token sale on Jump? Do you remember what the valuation was at the time? Like
I
what price we
remember
were
the
buying?
sale. I bought into it, but I think it was 0.002,
Right.
if I am not mistaken.
I was
I
just trying
think
to remember like what market cap we were buying in at, but I feel like
yeah,
I
but
checked my bag and I don't even think we're down bad from like
it's
that.
not that much. I think you are
high.
down like 40%, to be honest. But
Yeah, so it's like it's not.
yeah, but
Could be
anyone who
pricey.
bought into the pre-sale, he would have, because there was a 10% or 20% unlock. So you could have made your money here at the all-time high,
Oh
around the
yeah,
all-time high area, right? So if you sold here, congrats. If you didn't, then you know, it's still
you
early,
also
guys. We are
bought
in a
it.
bull market, right? I think like a lot of tokens is gonna get a lot of exposure. Like
Yeah.
you know, you just need to wait for the coin alt season, you know, and then you will see all the liquidity that like it will start flowing into the chain itself. And near protocol basically, damn man, if you want to invest, in my opinion, okay guys, NFA, if you want to invest into like a chain token, future proof, it's an AI chain, near protocol is very undervalued now. You have like at least 5x's easy in there, you know. Plus
Mm.
there is a lot of earning potential in near. I don't think like we explore this side a lot in near protocol, but there is like multiple earning potential, especially the validator. It's one of the safest way to earn passive income. Basically, it's just taking in near with validator. It's very safe on here. So
Which one's the
I check
best? You
Bola for sure. Someone is commented. I'm
What?
also wearing
Oh.
Marcus. I'm also wearing my near
Hold on. So Bola wait, is this a token on Near? I've not seen Bola. Can you pull it up?
Yeah. So
Bola-
Bola is
Bola is,
made by Wolf.
Also, I got some alpha on Purge. So whenever we're ready to talk about Purge, we'll jump over to that.
Let's go.
We do.
Yeah, Bola,
What's
it's
the
that one
ticker?
right there.
There is it. Yeah.
That's his name is
That's
like
a
Wolf.
1 hour chart, by the way, guys. But you can
Mhm.
see my levels actually. Okay, you can see my buy levels when I was like
Yeah.
trading it. So I had the buy levels here and like support and resistance stuff. But yeah,
You're
it is in
trading
my
on-
buy zone, by the way. Now, yeah, this is my
Huh?
buy zone. So yeah, that's my buy zone for it. I would have aped, I think, somewhere here. But I don't. Bola is done by Wolf. Yeah, Bola is done by Wolf.
Nice, very nice. I also
Who else
see
do we have?
I see we have Marcus.
Oh,
jumping
Jesus.
in. Marcus, always great to see you, bro. Says I'm always wearing my Near Donald's hat watching this.
Near the
Bola is done by Wolf.
Yeah.
Interesting much. Wait, what does that mean?
So the one who made it is Wolf.
Wolf. Interesting. Okay.
Yeah,
That's
I will send you
Yeah.
the ticket.
By the way, I feel like it was a stupid idea to throw $100 at this, but I finally found the ticker for Alton, the bald token or the bald Alton one.
Let's go.
And so I actually ended up buying that. It's at like a $7,000 market cap, bro. There's
Let's
$7,000 liquidity. It is so stupid. Like buying into a token at a $7,000 market cap is so absurd. Here we go. Great question. What's a good wallet for Near? I like Meteor Wallet. That's my go-to. It's been my go-to. They're the first.
It depends. I mean,
I wanted to work with. But I like it. I use it for mobile and laptop. I use browser on my phone, and it's fine for the most part. I wish they had an app that was super sleek like Hot Wallet does, but they don't right now. But I like Meteor Wallet. I like their team. I like their branding is the main thing. So that's the one I usually go for. But there's plenty of different wallets. What do you think?
it depends. It depends on your use case. So if you're like you want to use the Telegram, you can use Meteor Wallet in Telegram. I do like Hot, to be honest. I think Hot Wallet in TG is pretty nice. But you cannot go wrong with the Meteor, especially if you don't want like a lot of things popping in your face. You want just simple, fast interaction. Meteor. You can for web. My Near Wallet is the goat, man. Meteor Wallet is easy to use, but if I'm managing my funds and stuff like this, I use my Near Wallet. If you're using Ledger, okay, if you're using a hardware wallet, you need my Near Wallet. Trust me in this. It's like anyone who's using hardware wallet, my Near Wallet is the best for me because there's a lot of things you can do. Yeah, you can't like import. You can do some things. It didn't work well with me with other wallets, you know. So for web browser, I would say if you're using a phone and you want a web browser one, you don't have extension, you can use my Near Wallet, which then you can do transaction in the phone, which is really good. If you're using PC and you want Chrome extension, of course Meteor Wallet is pretty solid wallet. You have also Cinder Wallet. I didn't use it much, to be honest, but Meteor Wallet is like top notch in Near. I guess when it's come to like wallet, plus you can bridge your token. So I just bridge from Solana to Solana actually when I was fixing Nico Dex screener. So by the way, since we are talking, I'll just pass because I'm proud of my work here. I updated Nico Dex screener. All right, we didn't have it before, so it's updated, guys, with the aggregator app that we have and everything. But yeah, that's for me the wallets, I think, for Near protocol. Bola pumping now after live stream.
By the way, my Alton bags are up $15. So
let's go,
rich.
Dude, we're ripping.
someone bought $30 worth after I jumped in. We got Zack in the house. I think Zack was actually the culprit here. Zack, how's it going, dude?
Yo.
Yeah, everything's pumping. Man. Someone just said Bula's pumping now after the live stream, dude. It's everything. It's the McDonald's hats. When you see these hats, just know it's time to get to work.
Forget, guys. We need to talk about this. We need to talk about this, man.
Kate said he has Purge Alpha. And we got.
Yeah, what is the Purge Alpha?
Wait. Are we talking about ABG or are we talking about Purge?
Which one you want to talk about first? Purge?
We can talk about
Okay,
Purge
I'll
just
go.
because I don't know if it's time sensitive or not. So pull up Purge for me,
All right.
please.
There
Okay,
you go.
so
Purge all-time high, by the way, guys.
oh shoot, really?
Urge, if you don't let me and Soos back into
Yeah.
TG though, crash in the chart. Right
And Monza
now,
needs it, bro. Monza's got
right at
bags.
all time high.
Yeah, Monza's got bags that you would not expect, bro. This guy is moving.
I keep telling Monza and Soos over and over, they need to get into the confessional booth and ask for forgiveness.
No, that's
and then we're good. Then we're good. We keep it moving.
That's exactly what they want. That's
Exactly.
letting them win. No.
It's letting them win.
Okay, guys, it's a misunderstanding. All right, it's a misunderstanding.
Oh,
but
no,
yeah,
dude,
we
FAR
got booted.
protocol.
Me
have
and
FAR
Monza are
protocol
booted.
in the chat.
Lame.
Oh, we're so cooked.
What's
Our
lame?
ultra nemesis FAR protocol has called us out.
Yeah, FAR
dude.
protocol is lame.
That's brutal.
Cooked us.
Brutal. That's
Absolutely
not good.
cooked
We got
us.
Jason saying bullet pumping now. We barely said anything. We didn't even we literally didn't say anything about Bullet. We didn't even bring it up, I don't think. Did we bring it up the chart?
We did.
The number one pump stream at the protocol, and we didn't even need
Oh, God.
any token
So-
we breathed word, it just pumps.
Here's what we have to know. With you guys rocking the McDonald's caps, is MCN pumping right now? Or
No, it's dead.
where are
It's
we with
completely
that?
dead, bro.
Unfortunately not, no.
This is not even a sponsored segment. We just want to wear the
The
hats.
ticker is even in the chat. It's down there in the chat, and I think we're down another. Yeah, we're down again.
Are we really? So you think we could bring down an entity on this stream? Like if we needed
If
to?
only
like,
somebody would have
kick
said,
somebody out?
"Hey, mess with this." If only there was someone that would have mentioned that.
So, anyways, should I talk about the Purge Alpha that I was just given?
Yeah.
yeah,
Let's hear it.
please.
Let's hear it.
Okay. By the way, before I do this, if you're watching the stream right now, you're enjoying the conversation, help us out and repost the stream. If you're on X, if you're on YouTube, please like, subscribe, do all the things. I have Soos, Monza, and Zack's information down below in the description on YouTube. And if you're on X, all three of them are tagged in the title. Please give them a follow and check out the things they're up to. We're just kind of talking about funny DGen things going on in Near Protocol. It's definitely a meme season, some sort of just pumps just in general across all of crypto and Near Protocols included. There are definitely plays here, and there's definitely money to be made for sure. I have made good money. I made good money the last MEMECOIN run. There's opportunities here if you're plugged in. So that's kind of what we're looking to do here is just do a little bit of trading type of content, things like that. So if you're enjoying it, yeah, please do all the things, retweets, quote tweets. And otherwise, we're going to talk about Purge here. I just got a little bit of alpha from an undisclosed source that can be trusted. But something along the lines of Father will be, this is all I have. No context besides this. This is all the alpha I have on Purge. Somebody clip this. We're at the 27-minute mark, 28-minute mark. Father will be live streamed 20. Actually, Truffle, do you mind commenting this in the chat if you don't mind or something like that if you're watching? Father will be live streaming 24/7 across all platforms. No, correction, across platforms. And then I got a link to a Twitch account. The handle is forgiveme_TV. Let me post this in the chat here. So
24/7 AI streams. If you're in the Twitter space the other day, I believe they had two AIs talking to each other in there. So that's pretty insane.
So here it is. Here's the handle, forgiveme_TV. That's the Twitch for Purge. They're going to have a 24/7 stream. Let me see what that looks like. Hold on. Let me share my screen.
Is it in Twitch?
Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can find it. All right, so forgiveme_TV. Let's see what comes up. Oh, wait, they're live right now.
Wait, what?
Oh, wait,
How did we miss that?
Wait, what did you just have pulled up? What you just have pulled up was it? Unless this is like a.
Now, is there a countdown? Can you make it bigger?
I gotta log into
Are we
comment.
on the live stream for Purge right now?
Yeah, this is there's only 4 people in here currently. Is there alpha in being early? Is there something we can do? I don't want to log in right now. Soos, do you mind pulling up?
Yeah, what do you want?
Do you mind jumping over to their Twitch real quick?
Yeah, let me log in or switch my tab.
That's what I was gonna do too. I was gonna log in. I didn't want to log in on stream though. I can't remember.
No, I'm logged in, but I need to switch my tabs because I keep everything separated in profile. Just make it easier for me. Hide my soul. GM, bro. Oh, I have to log in as well. Yeah, I can do that.
Yeah,
first.
I can't.
Give me
I
a
can't.
second.
I can't remember my password. All right. Well, try it.
I have it.
Got it.
Right. Yeah, I'm just gonna put my code. Oh, by the way, someone sent the link to Jay. Jay have been asking for it. I forgot.
It's in the chat. It's in the group chat.
Is it?
Yeah.
On Twitter. You should be able to just hop on Twitter and go to Cade's profile.
No. He wants to. Does he want? Oh, he wants to watch the stream.
Oh, he's.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. I got it. I have the link for the YouTube stream. I just dropped it to him. We got some GMs here. Oh, we got a GM from Hide My Soul.
Okay.
Truffle, can I help with something? Truffle, actually, yeah, that clip. If you could clip it, dude. Anyone remember what time stamp it was that I said to clip something? 28. Do you remember what it was? Oh, it was the Alpha on Purge, right? Could Truffle, if you don't mind, do you mind clipping that thing around the 28-minute mark?
Did we ever get the alpha, or did we get derailed by the live stream?
No, that was the alpha. Like, there's something going on that live stream
right
that
now.
People don't know about, and that's why there's
we're like,
people on.
Oh, so we're sending people away from our stream. That's the alpha. Hopefully not.
Well, the thing is, there's nothing on their Twitch. It's just
I know. Well,
so okay, right, you know, that's the point,
I guess I'll ask this: Who did anybody else get? I know Soos was in there. Did you guys tune in or listen to the space yesterday for Purge?
Oh yeah.
Was it worth it?
No.
So, Soos, what did you think? What were your thoughts on the space, the Purge space?
Is the most innovative Twitter space for an AI meme. I like. Not an AI meme. It's the most innovative Twitter space I have actually been into.
Yeah.
It was so sick, man. Like,
really?
I wasn't expecting much, but oh my God, it was so good.
I'll
like,
say for the first 7 minutes, it was like a lot of sound effects, a lot of just like spooky noises and things. Like if you've seen any of the Purge GIFs, like from it was basically that in audio form. Like if those things had audio, that's what it would have been, right? So that was a little bit. It's like, okay, is anything going to happen here? But once it did, it was electric. Like it was good. It was just like, hey man, this is kind of cool. Like I feel like it was like part I don't know, I don't want to sound like dismissive. It was almost like being in like a Disney theme ride of sorts, right? Like it was like
there's some suspense in it, you know, like a lot of suspense.
A lot of suspense.
It was pretty, yeah.
It was very well done.
Yeah.
It was very, I guess the way to say it is, it was very well produced. Like it was very well done. It was fully in theme, in character, all of that. I mean, it was fun. Like Sue said, I think you hit the nail on the head. It was like an innovative way to do a space for sure.
Yeah, 100%. Kate, can you pull my share screen, please?
Yep.
So this is the Twitch, guys. It's live. Okay, I just commented.
All right.
Hello.
By the way, don't leave our stream because nothing's going on in their stream. Just
and
pull it up.
Okay.
Mute the tab because our show's better.
So it is live. There is stuff going on. It's just
okay.
It's just showing you live.
I see. Okay, so
receiving.
what the alpha is to pull up both streams, to have both up on screen, or if you have a multi-screen, dual screen monitor set up to pull up both. This is super interesting, bro. To like my full confessional here is I haven't even used this. I purely traded the charts. I haven't even used the AI.
I did the couple confession early.
Who has confessed their sins?
Oh yeah, I confessed.
I did, but I did not do it from my main wallet, man. I will never get caught like Monza, to be honest.
Yeah, I keep making new accounts and I'm so worried about losing money and getting hacked now. I'm so distrusting. I just lost $2,000 yesterday because I forgot that I had a wallet that was compromised, and I for some reason didn't fully wipe it, and it was still there. And for some reason, I added a couple grand so I could buy up Beam and Superverse, these 2 gaming tokens I think will do well. And just like got a little notification on my phone yesterday. It was like, hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of Beam tokens and Superverse transferred over. And I was like, did I transfer over anything today? And I was like, oh, shoot. And I was like, that's that MetaMask. And I was like, oh, no. And I looked and it was gone. So that was super, super annoying. But that was like totally my fault. That was just was not thinking.
Wait, how did you get compromised? Did you like connect it?
Originally, it was a couple months ago. I was there was a company that wanted to work with me to do video and to do some kind of content push. And so I was just reviewing their company, and one of the things I just downloaded. And as soon as I downloaded it, I was like, why?
Oh, that happened to me. I got hit with someone. They looked really legit. They said that you want to check it out. And then as soon as I clicked the link, it downloaded. And as soon as I saw the file download, I grabbed my Ethernet and I literally pulled it from my PC, like as fast as I could. Because once you disconnect from the internet, like you minimize the risk. So I had to format my entire PC, man. Like it was pain, but I got it. Dang. We're getting raided by Bulla.
By the way, so this is the token I got into. So I don't think this one's gonna. Oh, whoa! Big candle. As soon as I say that, so someone just bought something a second ago. I don't think this is it. I don't think that's it either. Bro, that was crazy. Wait. Let me. I don't want to pull up my
guys. By the way, NFA. Okay, do not buy any tokens.
I literally just said I put a bag on this at 7K. But it was a joke. I was just like we are not. I'm not trying to get arrested. To like
you see Marcus down there in the chat laughing. It was that fat candle was him.
Dude, this is actually not a bad looking chart. If we as long as we don't reject here, if we reject here, we're cooked because like then we're in a downtrend.
Show us. I throw it in near for experiment, but can you show us the picture again?
What picture?
Of the Bolton. Yeah. What is it? It's should be in the cooked already. There you go.
Come on.
Nice.
It's on Twitter. Let's go to. I saw the picture somewhere on the timeline. I remember. Okay.
Wait, is he bald actually, or did they edited the picture, or what?
It's a joke. It was like a meme that was posted online. I saw. There it is.
Yeah.
No, there's no way this is real. I feel like I recognize the photo.
Oh, he did shave. Did he?
I don't know. I can't tell. Alton, come on stream, bro. Bro.
For real, dude.
Yeah, going bald is the real alpha. Shaving your head is the real alpha.
Dude, of course, near we.
Here, how about this? If Bolton hits 1 million market cap, I'll shave my head.
Bro, oh my god, dude. Oh, no.
Okay, Kid, if it hit 1 million market cap, would you go? Would you go bald?
If what?
If it hit 1 million market cap, would you go bald with Monza?
$1 million? If my $7,000 market cap investment goes to $1 million, would I would I go bald? I don't know if I can ever go back to short hair again, to be honest. Yeah, I'm not sure. I don't. If I held all the way to $1 million, I don't know what kind of money that'd be. But let me see. Actually, anytime I have a hard math problem, I just go to ChatGPT now. I can just do complex problems. I'll say if I buy, I only put in $100 just so you guys know. There's $100 at 7K market cap. I'm not here to pump it. I have no idea if it's gonna do well. I'm not actually.
You're definitely pumping it, man.
But I'm just saying exactly what it was. So if I buy 100,
out of bed for $100.
If I buy $100 of a token at 7K market cap, and it runs to 1 million market cap,
I think that's 70x.
How much profit do I make? Okay, so if I put in 100 and it runs all the way to 1 million right now, the profit
it's 70x.
It's only 70x. Dude,
Yeah.
So okay, so yeah, $7,000
So
is what I would get.
Yeah, 7,000 for your $100.
Dude, that's like way less than I thought. Actually, definitely don't pump it, guys. It's not worth it. I'm not trying to go to jail for. Anyways, Purge is wow. Purge is running here, bro.
They're just ripping, man.
Sheesh. That's
I
gotta be
hear there
awesome.
will be an AI stream or some sort of something like this.
What's up?
Like I hear that
31, yeah.
There's gonna be an AI stream between father and operator number 6.
Is that
Live
right?
streaming. That's what I think I hear. I'm not sure, guys. Don't
Yeah.
quote me into
Father
it.
was giving me big time like Emperor Palpatine vibes, but the operator number 6, like I like that guy. Like that was actually good. And you guys can get into the character more in the space in the recording, but the operator number 6 is kind of who led the charge, right? He's the one that kind of like was the he held court. Father was kind of hard to mostly what he said was whispering, but like I said, it was big time Emperor Palpatine energy coming from the father.
I had a hard time hearing father, to be honest.
Couldn't hear him. Yeah, right.
I had to pump my volume to like 100, and I was like, what? And I was, what? But they hinted for a couple things. Yeah, but operator number 6, man, that give me chills when he's speaking. I swear to God, kid, like, guys, pull up the link. I'm gonna put you the link.
It's like
if you listen to that, oh my God, man, it gave me chills. I was like, holy damn, it's
that's
so
what I mean.
good,
it was good. It was very well done.
Yeah, it was really good.
And
like you're like cinematic.
Here's a question for you, Soos. Did it give you AI play MMC vibes? Because that's what I got from it. Like
it did actually. Thinking of it now, yeah.
Like dude, like it was just like the story that they were telling, right? Like that's what they did super well back in the day.
Yeah.
Super good storylines, and it brought you in. And I don't know, like I just go listen to it. You don't got to listen to the first 7 minutes, but
yeah, right.
Just go listen to it. It's pretty cool. And that just the Twitch stream of having the live confessions up on Twitch 24/7, I think that's pretty sweet. Like that's a great idea. Like that you don't have to do anything for that, and it's a cool live stream. You can have it up whatever at conferences and shit in the background or something. I don't know, but it's just like a cool little novelty thing that doesn't really cost you much. And like, yeah, we could just, if we were just sitting here talking, we didn't have shit to put up. We could just have the fucking Twitch stream with the confessionals up and be talking about the live confessionals that are coming in. Like, there's some
sort of like, there's some sort of like GameFi into it, guys. So basically, to do a confession, you have to do a sacrifice. So when you sacrifice the token, okay, minimum is 10 purge. I think at all-time high is like $2, if I'm not mistaken. Is it? No,
I'll look right now.
Yeah, so 10 purge is the minimum, and you can go as much as you want. I have seen people putting crazy amount of like sacrifice. It's because like I don't know what do you think, Zach, because you listen to it, but they hinted for like if your confession was approved, you might get a return into it, something like this.
Yeah, that's what I got from it too.
I was going to say there appears to be some sort of weighting mechanism now. I don't know if the weighting is going to be more so towards the score, like, so when you make your confession, they kind of score you out on the 7 deadly sins. I don't know if that is really the weighting, or I mean, I doubt it's going to be weighted into like how much you put in. I mean, maybe some sort of combination of the two, but I know that they also kind of alluded to, well, you guys are part of the judgment nodes now, and if you've already kind of participated and been in this, like now you're a node yourself. And I don't know, it was just enough mysterious talk, while also kind of, it wasn't too over the top, like where I left thinking like, what the hell did we just talk about? Like, I don't know anything that happened. It was like just enough familiarity mixed in with enough like mystery to kind of be like, man, I can't wait for the next space, right? I mean, it almost was kind of like listening to a murder mystery type podcast or like a show, right?
Yeah, it's kind of like it give you the mystery, which is pretty smart. You know, like
Definitely
think
leaves
of
you
it
wanting
like this.
more. Yeah.
Yeah, it makes you think what they are talking about. It makes you. I'm trying to be careful with my words because my English is weak, guys. Okay, so don't quote me in my words. Makes you like you wanna FOMO into it. You know, it's like you like I think I'm gonna miss out on something. You know, I wanna get in. So it's pretty innovative, to be honest. Like it's well thought. You know, so whoever thought of this, you know, Gigabrain, 100%. Um, but yeah, man, it's pumping, guys. It's pumping. So that's oh yeah. It's not. You have been looking at Bola for like 5 minutes.
No,
Kids.
I was. It's because you
Purge.
guys were talking about Purge, and so I wanted to just have a look at the bullet chart because someone had asked. But yeah, Purge is sending right now. I was only
Yeah, it
looking at
is.
Purge because I saw someone's comment. I don't know who it was. I'm not sure if I would buy into this. Only because like this is how I think about meme coins when I'm trading them. So when I'm looking at a chart, I always zoom out first to see what the whole layout looks like. But when I'm looking at this, dude, I can't tell what kind of momentum it's in because it's such a big drawdown, and then it came here in range for so long, and then had just no buy strength, and then just crashed. And so I was like, okay, if I was to get in here, I probably want to get in on the bottom of this range, so probably closer to this buy-in. So if we were to come down here, this would be the only play. But the thing is, even when you get in around here, to get a 2x on your return, you need this to pump all the way here. So it'd have to break through this and this to get to here, just to get a 2x. So for me, unless I see a clear path to 4x, I don't like buying into meme coins unless there's a bunch of volume. There's not a bunch of volume on this either. Like you look at the volume here, and if you can see, it says like 1,000, 2,000, like big numbers here. Then they start to crash, and then the numbers drop down to like 2 digits. Here it's at like 3, volume 5, 30, 300. Like the volume's dead. So only because of that, it's just hard for me to be like, yeah, let me dump my money in here. Now it's gonna pump because I just said I don't know if it's gonna pump, and now it's just gonna send. I know for sure.
Everyone is gonna buy it. That's
kind of how I think. And I hold no bullet, by the way. So if it does pump, then I guess congratulations, everyone.
If it does pump, you're welcome, guys. That's
I'm
what
just
he
talking.
meant to say.
I'm just kind of explaining how my brain thinks when I enter a position. Like for example,
I was just going to ask. Yeah. So that's actually what I was going to ask is like, so that what is like the criteria that you normally look for? I know you said like a path to a 4x, right? So is that it? Is there anything else that you normally like to look for to like before you jump in?
So
go ahead.
Well, I spent about I'm by no means a seasoned trader or anything like that, but I spent about a year during the bear market marking up the charts and stuff like that. So now I don't do too much of it now, but it gave me a really good view of the charts and really taught me important things like when you're like in a proper bullish momentum, like what that even means. Like how do you know you're in a bullish momentum versus like when you look here, you're like, oh yeah, clearly it's bullish. But if you zoom into the 5-minute chart, it's a little bit harder to tell. But my point is here is if you're like, okay, I want to buy into this, and you're like looking at this chart, and you can tell it's been ranging. Like there's been multiple times in this ABG run where we've ranged for like a period where it's just been people accumulating here. And so because there's accumulating people here of people buying and selling, buying and selling, buying and selling, and that's why there's no pump up or down. There's a bunch of decisions that got made here, meaning this is an important place to pay attention to. Same as here. So like typically those are like lines I would draw as like, if this drops, it'll likely drop and it'll come down to these kind of numbers here. So like if we start to reverse here, the next place that I probably would set like a buy is probably like at the top of this past candle, just because this is where a lot of people made decisions. And so right here,
that's way too safe, I think, Kate.
Well, let me just I'm almost done. Like, let me just finish this quick part. So like if I was going to enter here though, just because I'm picky and I know this is it's range bound, meaning it's clearly, because it's a meme coin, it's relatively like you can count on these little 5, 10, 20% pumps just to keep your head above water. I feel like with meme coins, you lose a lot of money in these small choppy areas. So I'd be like, okay, it's clearly ranging here. There's no reason to get in here unless I think it's going to moon right now because there's a bunch of volume and momentum, but there's not like a ton. So because there's not a ton, I'm like, okay, maybe I can probably get in here. And that's just because I'm picky with it. And I try to de-risk as much as possible when I'm buying into meme coins. But that's kind of how I think about it is like, do I think it's bullish? Like, is there a higher low? Yes, there's a higher low. Yes, there's a higher low. There's a higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high. Like, well, this was a peak. Then we came down, but then we recovered and we're back again. And now we're ranging. So then if you're like, okay, you zoom out all the way, you're like, okay, I still think we're bullish long-term. So I think this is another distribution that's just like this. So the next run up is potentially this. If you think the volume is there and it's bullish, you could see that. So this, like, you could identify this as like distribution and it's going to run up next. But, you know, the risk you run is we end up reversing here and we run out of steam and the buyers get exhausted and then the bears take over. So that's just a little bit like how I think about it. I'm not like a professional trader at all, but I think even having 10% knowledge of the charts gives you a massive leg up when you're trading memes. But anyways, Soos, go ahead.
Yeah, sorry to cut you there. I didn't mean to. But I was saying, I was saying the way you put your buy target, I think that's way too safe. Too safe for a meme coin. Yeah, I would think that way if I'm trading like an altcoin, but in meme coin you kind of like want to follow the trend a bit. You know, you kind of want to like try to jump in as soon as you can. And for me, I would jump in when I have the chance, and if it drops below what.
Sorry,
dude, Jay, man.
Yeah, whenever Soos starts looking down, if Soos starts looking down, like be careful, like buckle up, like, hold on. Yeah.
But anyway, okay. So the way I will, for me, the way I trade is support and resistance. It's an old school. This is how I do it, and it's hard to get a support and resistance at new token launches. You need a lot of time, and the 15-minute chart doesn't give you a good support and resistance. But if you look at the 1 hour chart, for example, 4 hour chart is not visible, but the 1 hour chart you can see it, and you can see here we break the resistance here, and we try to break this level, and then we bounce back, and then we tested again the support here, and then we kind of push through it, and then we try to test this level again, and we bounce back to the next support. So that's 1, 2, 3, for example, for me, and then this is the third try. So 3 support and resistance is good for me to think of. So my buy target will be here. So you need to think of it, guys, as as an area, but not a line. So don't look at like the specific number here. Just think of it like an area. So this is, for example, an area where you think you can, get in. And then if I dump, this is my approach will be. If it dump, I would be DCAing all the way down. So I would DCA all the way until down, okay, to get a better average. Then I will be selling again at the next resistance, which this support will become resistance. And once we retest it again, that's where I will be selling. But I'm not professional trader, by the way, guys. This is how I do things in my own. And Jesus is saying that, guys, listen. I swing trade with one wallet, and I hold with one wallet. Okay,
dude, is Bulla pumping? Why is everyone commenting Bulla? Oh no, it pumps.
I think we got traded by Bulla, but dude, oh yeah, Bulla is 22%.
No, I should not have left Bulla on the screen for so long. I promise you, I don't have a single wallet that has Bulla. I did not know it existed.
Yeah, none of us do.
I promise you, I'm not winning. I'm not winning by you winning on Bulla, but I'm happy you're winning.
Still holding the bullish bulls, right?
The what?
The bullish bulls.
The bullish bulls. What is that?
The NFT. I thought you were a big bullish bulls guy. An old one.
I am in a couple of random NFTs. I bought a bunch of NFTs just because I was like, I don't know if they're gonna pump, but I'll just hold these because I can. And so I got into I think I hold like an antisocial ape club, a classy kangaroo. I hold a bunch of these random like moose or something like that. I forget, some kind of animal, and then a bunch of like dragons and eggs. But I don't know what happened. I don't think the eggs and dragons is panning out yet for that kind of thing. So we'll see if that ends up happening at some point. I know the Black Dragon has Marketplace coming, By the way, real quick, so depending on if we end up doing this AMA at the end of the stream, I haven't confirmed if that's happening or not yet. We probably should dive a little. I guess we dove into ABG a little bit. I feel like we didn't fully flesh it out though.
Yeah, we need to give it to the ambassador of ABG, Mr. Monza.
Yeah, let's do it. Do you want to, Monza? Do you want to share your screen? Are you able to, or should we just have me or Soos pull up the ABG chart?
You got it. I don't know.
I'll Soos, do you mind pulling up, or do you want me to?
Yeah, it's in there.
Actually, I'll pull it up. Hold on.
Are we just talking chart here?
Well, I'm just
we kind of start talking.
So, like, why is ABG pumping away? What's exactly the play here? I'll actually pull this up while you're telling it if you want. So, like the story of Erica, like kind of how this coin came about, why we jumped in early, why we thought this was going to pump, and then it ran.
Yeah, so I think it's only like 2 or 3 days ago at this point. Erica, Ilya's wife, which I learned recently that they are married. They also
I did not know that.
I guess so. I got
a lot of people didn't know that. Yeah.
I got in trouble for referring to her as his baby mama. So
I just say his boothing. I think it's like the easiest way to get around it, where you can say boothing or like, you know, his woman, you know, his lady. It's like, I don't know, like there's ways to get around it without specifically saying.
Or the best way, just refer to her as herself. That's probably
exactly.
Like, that's honestly the best way to go.
There you go. And like Zack is here to bring us back on track and save us from getting canceled.
Right.
Yeah, Erica, she's the founder of like a bunch of things. She's pretty much, if you go to a near event, it was probably put on by Erica. She's an excellent event coordinator and organizer. She does a ton. So I mean, hopefully she puts together some events out there in Lisbon. But this is like that original tweet that kind of took off, right?
Yeah. So 3 days ago at this point, she just was tweeting about dropping a meme coin, and then launched it on meme.cooking, which I thought was pretty sweet too, you know, using the infrastructure. And I mean, it mooned. We got in, or at least I got in. Cade got in pretty early, I think. And it's been a fun ride just watching this chart. It's been I don't want to say pretty easy to trade, but I guess when you watch it for like 36 hours straight, you kind of catch the trends a little bit, right? Like when you go absolutely no life mode. It's I don't know, just bullish on it since it's Erica. And my tweet about referring to her as that was like I was just in content mode, right? Like thinking how to get the most attention on this tweet, like, oh, more people will know what I'm talking about and who this is if I say like this is Ilya's, you know.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Oh wait, so it was a tweet. Like, hold on.
She's a giga brain, right? Like she's
great.
She isn't just someone launching a meme coin, right? Like she's a G, and you know she happens to be very well connected in the space, we could say, right? So, we were just pretty bullish on it from the start, I guess.
And by the way, if anyone's listening, please retweet the stream again. Let people know, refresh it, bring it back on the timeline. I'm trying to find this tweet, Monza. Did you delete it, or is it still up?
Which one? Oh, I mean, it was from like 3 days ago.
Oh wait, is this it? Hold on. Oh no, that's a good tweet.
You're getting there. No, it's from a long time ago. You're gonna have to.
Oh, scroll. Is it? Okay. Got it. Never mind.
Yeah.
But yeah, anyways, guys, we got in literally. I don't know.
You need to confess, Monza.
That's what I was saying. I was just gonna say, I'm like, man, we're already in a confessional situation for Monza. Cade is like trying to pull it up
write it in the chat.
Get himself into a confessional as well. But we're getting raided hard by Bulla right now. So
wait, are we really? Hold on, I haven't looked at the comments in a while.
You know, fair play, guys.
Oh my gosh, we are, bro. Why is everyone in here from the Bulla community? Oh my gosh. Wait, let me see this. Is this bullet chart pumping still? Oh my god.
It's pumping, man. It's pumping.
Welcome.
It's pumping.
Yeah. He's pumping a little bit, I guess. That was just a couple purchases. That's a pretty small candle, though. It's kind of weak sauce.
It pumped. No. Reset the chart, man. It pumps. It pumped around 22% since we started the live. We start about talking about it. Then some people sold. But hey, man, if you are holding a token, works your bag for so. Good decision. Good decision.
I have a
We got
question because
what's up?
Soos was referring to when we were talking earlier. You seem to think, or maybe have a little bit of speculation on where you think AGB, ABG can go, or like what an overall plan. So I'd like to hear maybe a little bit more of your thoughts on like some of the speculation maybe that you have on the project as a whole, outside of maybe just being a meme coin.
I'll be
Well,
right back. I'm gonna
okay,
use the bathroom.
for
I'll be
this,
back in 30 seconds.
disclaimer, guys.
Yeah, this is
Everything you
speculation.
say
This
here,
is all just spec.
this is speculation. Okay,
yeah. That's what I said.
so
all spec.
what I'm thinking is, there will be like an AI agent behind it, where you're gonna talk like an agent boss to it, and that's the way I see it. Either way, guys, it cannot not be, but it can be. Me knowing like, since who created it, the background, you kind of like, if you think about it, it just makes sense to have an AI agent built around it. I do hope that happens. I am holding my bags, to be honest, in it. I do swing trade it with my other wallet. Are we allowed to smoke and to vape and stream? Because I want to vape so bad. But yeah, I really hope there will be an AI. I really believe. Okay, that's my own speculation, but I do believe there will be like some sort of an AI agent around it built in. That's my gamble on it, to be honest, as a token.
So no, I mean, I think that's really interesting. Monza, what do you think? Or well, I guess Monza's out. He's out too. He's going to go dump his bullet.
Nope. No. We're good. I think the same thing. Honestly, the same thing. Like just who it is. I don't think they can risk their reputation on just a shitty meme coin about Asian girl bosses. And again,
but I don't think there's any reputations at stake here. I mean, I think that's a little bit of a big leap to take. I mean, we're talking about meme coins here, right? Like these are meme coins. These are that's kind of the point. It's the fun of it, right? It's low stakes as far as, I mean, whenever you've talked many times, Monza, in order to fund some of your private jet addiction, that you were going to launch Monza coin. I know that there's some talks there, but you're just kind of still waiting for some of the liquidity to come in, right?
Right. Mm-hmm. No, but I guess more along the lines of just like who it is, right? Like I guess I expect it to be more than just a meme coin, just because of who it is. That more than like a reputation thing. Like I guess I don't see her launching a coin and doing nothing with it.
Exactly.
I guess where I just come in is like when it comes to meme coins, I just think sometimes, we always want there to be utility. We always want there to be more. I think that like sometimes we need to be okay when there isn't. You know what I'm saying? Like it's just like, hey, it is a meme coin. Like if it does have utility, if it does have more, which I think, like we've been talking about, that is some of the allure to Purge, right? Like because there's this kind of mysterious, man, maybe there is more to this than just a meme coin. But at the end of the day, if it is just a meme coin, like that's what it is. That's kind of the game we're playing, right?
Oh yeah, I mean, I ain't gonna be mad about it if it is just a meme coin, but I'll be a lot happier when it runs to 10 million.
That's the thing with memes. You don't expect much from it. Okay, memes run on community strength and exposure, and the meme itself, right? So the way it works, I do understand the Monza thinking. It's because I have the same thinking, but. Speaking of a meme coin, and if we are talking about Near protocol, the token launched into like shooted at 1.2 million, 1.3 million, I think, all time high in like 2 or 3 days. So this is pretty impressive thing at the start. So you you don't really can get mad, because I think a lot of people made some good bags in there, you know. But the thing is, you think about it is like, and this is where you can actually try to make more money on memes, right? Is try to figure out what's the next step of this meme coin, you know, if it's just a meme or there gonna be something later on in the future. And then I think when you think of it in this way, you can kind of have some expectation on where the token is gonna land in terms of price, and that's make you hold, right? So the way that meme thrives in holding its price also is having a community or people that actually believe on the meme itself than looking at it as an investment, kind of fast cash to get, you know. So when you have these people or this community in your meme coin, and it's like, I'm hodling this coin until it get to 100 million market cap, because I know that they're gonna do this, they're gonna do that. I expect him to do this and that, and they already did this and that, right? So you already have the expectation that it's gonna reach to that price. So for me, I do have the same thinking as Monza. I really think this can be evolve into something else. I mean, the name itself is cool, you know, but it can also be a very cool AI agent to build around. It's gonna be very fun.
Yeah, for
Things
sure.
like Purge early on, right? Like even when we were at Redacted and it was running, we were like, it's an AI agent, right? Like but we still didn't know what the fuck that meant, you know?
Well, and we've never seen anything run quite like this, at
Right.
least on Near before, where it
And
was just
all the
the whole way up. I mean, really, the whole way up. It's just like, man, is this the time to get more? Is this the time to get more?
You
Is
know,
this,
it'd be the most
because it's like
bullish
they're just gonna
token
get dumped on, right?
Zach, the most bullish token that could ever drop would be the Marcus token. If someone dropped a Marcus token, we would
Hey,
that
I'd be in on
token would
that.
fly to 2 million.
Yeah. My son's name is Marcus, so like I would buy.
Hey.
I'd be a Marcus whale if
You named it after Marcus? How
Yeah,
sweet.
right.
I love it. I love it. I see a lot of people here thinking I'm holding Bulla. Guys, if I held Bulla, that chart would have nuked by now, because I totally would have sold.
Guys, the kid went off stream. Someone commented, "Kid going to the bathroom equal he is going to dump his Bulla again and come
Dude,
back."
Bulla is pumped up right now. I don't know what you're talking about. No one is sold. I don't even have it. You are my. Hey, by the way,
I wish I had some Bulla to run. I had before.
So, real quick, I want to. We're going to do a giveaway for anyone who's watching in the stream on X or YouTube. Just let me think. Follow all the people. If you're on X, just go to like the title thing. You can click Monza, Soos, and Zack. Make sure you give all 4 of us a follow, and then screenshot the stream, like the video stream, and then just tag me. And then at the end of the stream / later on or something like that, I'll announce the giveaway. I'm going to give away $100 in whatever token you prefer on your protocol. How about that?
Oh.
So whatever token you want, I'll grab a little bit of it and send it to your wallet. So just do those things, retweet it, take a screenshot and post it and tag me, and make sure you're following all of us. And yeah, just make sure you tag me so I can see the proof, and we'll run through. I'll give away $100 of any token, $100. I feel like there's like a 98% chance it's going to be Bulla, because there's so many Bulla people in this in this chat. So I'm going to have to buy this thing public. I'm like, no, this is going to get clipped. Not good.
I will say it's exciting to kind of see some of these memes like actually run and have some real velocity, right? Because we've seen some other thing. I mean, look, I'm not trying to talk down, but like we've seen some duds, right? Poppy and Bean and D's and like just a lot of other meme coins that just kind of like really fell flat. And like now to kind of see things really ascend, really, you know, in a very short amount of time. I mean, it's exciting at least to watch and to be a part of, right?
I mean, the thing is, like, I did talk about this one in Twitter space before with Kid and you guys. Yeah, and I had my point in there, and I was like, everyone was like questioning my point that, you don't want memes on your protocol. I mean, like, come on, guys. I do work for a meme company. One of them is Nick. So, I think near like some sort of meme coins on like Solana, for example, it can shoot to $1 billion market cap just because it has a nice meme theme to it, right? I think Near Protocol, when it's come to having a token that is purely for meme, the community, or we are not into the point where we have like community are interested into it, you know. So I think now with the community we have, they're more interested in tokens that generally have something to build, or like have some sort of utility with it, you know, and not interested into like I just want to buy it just because it's a pure meme, right? And if you look at the OG coin, meme coin on Near Protocol, everything or most of them have built something, you know, like Neko, you're talking about Shih Tzu, Black Dragon with the IRL activation, you know, and the other stuff, you know. So I don't think like standard meme thing can like bull run really high into Near Protocol. But again, guys, it's nice to be a DJ. You know, it's fun. Just don't buy what you don't like gamble with what you can't afford to lose. That's the main thing. We are all we are with anything that help to bring more exposure to Near Protocol as well, a fun and engaging way with it. Kate is just going through all memes now.
Yeah, I was gonna say, so Nearcat actually is a decent entry right here. I'd probably maybe wait to get into this area here. Maybe I'm being a little bit picky, but Nearcat, I can't figure them out. I don't know anything about them. I don't hear the greatest things, I guess, about them, but I don't like know anything.
He came from Tron, I hear, right?
I don't know. I just I get the sense that like, people like almost like I don't know. I'm not sure what to think. But anyways, the token keeps going up. I don't know who's backing it, but it's got 179,000 liquidity with $1.3 million market cap. That's not bad at all.
Here's the problem. There's like 73
all over Twitter.
Is that what I see? 73 people holding. Is that what that, you know?
Wait,
73 makers, 73, right?
73 makers, traders, I think.
Sure. Yeah. Unique wallets that have bought or sold this pair. There's no way. Wait, what?
Or is that just in the past 24 hours? Maybe that's just in the past 24 hours.
That's 24 hours stats.
Yeah,
that's 24 hours stats. Yeah.
Sure.
Okay.
Let me look and see how many holders there are total.
Dude, I can't believe we haven't looked
at Black Dragon one time. You can check it in Near blocks.
Yeah, for sure.
But, by the way, Zach, we're not gonna run the AMA today. We'll do it on another stream.
Sure.
But so we'll just keep it going for another little bit. And by the way, if you guys have to go at all, that's totally fine. Just let me know. This is kind of fun, and like a bunch of people are actually in the stream, so like that's dope. I guess people are into the meme talk. But anyways, so Marcus just jumped on and he said yes, Ton.
Yeah, that was
for Nearcat.
Right.
So I don't know. I'm not against Nearcat. Let me look at this. So I don't know anything about them. I don't not like them though. So I'm down to. Does anyone know anything about them? Like, can anyone in the comments let me know?
The only thing that I know, I think there was there's some background about it being one of the like an original mascot of Near. They were trying to like revive something that was old. I mean, certainly long before I ever was really involved. So
I think it was one of the first NFTs on Near, not the
yeah. Like there's some sort of like historical retro throwback to it where Marcus, it was like trying to revive an old character. I think
Marcus says that
Marcus
OG mascot
sure
there was the NFTs and stuff.
The NFT looks the NFT art does look nice, to be fair, but I don't know much about him. I think I talked with the one you were opening, this one.
How do I where are they listed?
They didn't make it, I think, yet. I didn't follow up much. I talked with them, I think, once when after my break, and I haven't actually talked with them.
Their art's cool. If they, I wonder what my sunglasses would look like on one of these guys.
Are you hinting for sunglasses, right?
No, I'm just curious. Like maybe. But anyways, let's look at the Black Dragon chart. So. Black Dragon is definitely one of the ones I'm holding. It's very volatile, so that's good for anyone who likes swing trades, especially when you zoom out on a long-term scale. It's bullish. I mean, bottomed out around here and pretty much just up only. Looks good. I mean, it's pretty much hitting a support. Like, this is where you'd load up. So I'll probably buy some here actually now. But yeah, that looks pretty good. So that's, I mean, you can see like it's ranging from here to here, meaning when we get to here, buyers run out of energy a lot of times, or maybe around here. And so a lot of times people will sell around this mark because they're expecting it. And then they buy around here because it also bounced here earlier. And you can see it. There's not a mistake. Can you guys see my mouse, by the way, when I do this?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So like, and then if you look, it's interesting. Like, this is what's so cool about the charts is like they do play out the way that you're looking. Like you see here, this level is the same as this top. Like, that's not by coincidence. It's like completely just like people say you can't market charts on meme coins, and maybe you can't. But knowing these things is very helpful because you're looking for this. You're like, okay, here's a line of that I need to pay attention to. And so when it comes to here, you're like, oh, look, we just broke through here. That's a good sign. And then we came back and rejected, didn't crash through this line again. So that's bullish. And then it goes up here, crashes through here, but then it recovers. So you make a decision here. You're like, okay, do I feel like Black Dragon's bullish longer term here? Do I think we're in a bullish pattern? Because if I do, then this is a good point to load up because it's maybe going to bounce right here. If I think, no, we're going to go bearish, this is a point where I'd short it if I could, and then you'd write it down. Otherwise, you would just not do anything. But generally right now I'm loading up on tokens, leading into 2025. So at this point, I'm more bullish than I am bearish in Black Dragon, and it can range here, but generally it looks like this is a point where decisions get made. Essentially, is kind of how I think about it. So yeah, Black Dragon looks
and
good.
It's at a good entry with the market cap as well. It's only at 7.7 now.
Definitely. Another one is Shih Tzu, dude. Shih Tzu's chart is ridiculous, bro. Look at this thing. This is the all-time chart, guys. Shih Tzu's chart is ridiculous. Look at this, dude. Look at this. And I actually tweeted earlier today about this, about Shih Tzu, or maybe it was yesterday. And by the way, if you guys want to enter that $100 giveaway, all you have to do is screenshot the live stream and comment it, and be sure you're following everyone here. You can see all 3 people tagged. Just follow everyone, including me, and retweet and screenshot that you're here and tag me so I can see it. And we'll choose a winner for $100 in any token you'd like. Let me see here. Do you guys like my 10 baht DAO post?
Oh yeah, I claimed the domain for the wallet.
Is it really great? That's awesome.
10 baht
I think we can do
near.
something like that. I think it's pretty funny.
Yeah.
Okay, let me see if I can find this tweet. It was about Shih Tzu, and I said this. Oh yeah, here it is. The most bullish take for Shih Tzu lies right here. More than 90% of the profits are for buybacks. More than 35% is staked in the ref, and the rest is evenly distributed. We have 3 revenue streams currently. This is what we call meme narrative decoupling. So essentially, he's saying with a lot of their profits they're using to buy back up this Shih Tzu token. So essentially what that means is generally long term, if they keep doing that, this chart goes up because when people are selling, they're going to continue to buy with those profits. So that's a pretty interesting model. That's like similar to the MicroStrategy model. They keep buying more Bitcoin because they think the price is going to keep going up. And they believe that makes more sense than spending their money elsewhere. So Shih Tzu looks good. And what was I going to say?
Nico.
There was something else. Hold on.
Nico is not in terms of like
yeah, real quick,
price point. Yeah.
For ref, this is my other one, because this is probably one of my bigger holdings for alts on near is ref finance, just because it's one of the main dexes. But is this the all-time chart? Okay, so with ref, people kept saying they got to $10, and I don't know where that. Like, can anyone fill me in on when they were $10?
I don't know what that was about. Like, that can't be. I heard that too. I know what you're referring to, and
it's never even got close to $1. Like, so I'm sitting here, I'm thinking this is going to go well past $1. I mean, the place to buy it is around 10-15 cents right here, and it's been ranging here. I think I bought in somewhere probably around this region, but long term, I'm like, yeah, like you choose one of the biggest dexes on near is probably not a bad plan. But the ref one also is one of those things that if they were actually at $10 at any point, but then they do a similar model to Shih Tzu, which is buying back the tokens. I think that their crypto token goes up probably over
I was going
time.
to say, it's also just really great to just continue farming. I mean, through the meme season
Yeah.
stuff, I mean, you could just continue to accumulate ref and then
Yep.
restake it. And I mean, it's just kind of like keep that whole cycle going the entire time. So
Definitely.
Yeah.
Anyways, so
Can you pull up Nico as well?
do you want to pull up your screen, or do you want me to pull it up?
Yeah, you pull it up since you're doing it. But
Sure.
what's up, Nono?
We got Nono in the house.
Yeah.
Oh, let's go.
So Marcus said it was $10 all-time high.
I don't.
And on May 22, 45 million market cap for ref.
Wait, what's let's see how Bulla's doing real quick. No, Bulla hasn't even moved, bro. What are you talking about? I've been sitting here. There's no there. I don't think there's enough.
When we started the space, it was that like really bottom out right there, and then it's.
Bro, there's been like 10 purchases in 20 minutes. There's not enough volume here. I think they're messing with us. I don't know. Let me jump over here and let's go to Nico. Nico and Jump. Jump might be my biggest alt holding for Near, actually. Just because you look at the price and where it was at and where it is today, and I'm like, bro, this token, if it even recovers a little bit as much as what it used to be, I will get rich like just off Jump. So Jump makes just a lot of sense to me. And that's, by the way, that's not like some niche take to sort of like capitalize on people watching. That's just like an obvious take. Like the number one DEX aggregator, or the first DEX aggregator on Near, one of the top DEXs, has definitely been a leader in Near protocol. I mean, look at this chart, bro. You're looking at many X's if it even recovers to a fraction of
for Nico. Is actually in the past month, Nico I think is up by 30%. Something like this. So
by the way,
is recovering.
Nono was picking up all this, wasn't he?
He was buying big.
Bro,
he was like throwing $1,000.
Nono needs to have 10 more babies. That guy's got enough bags for another family.
He got. But for Nico as well, we are aligning, and you might guys see bias. I work for Nico, but we are aligning with the Near protocol approach for AI. I mean, acquiring the Agra app, which used to call Baby AI, that was back in like a year and a half, and the team is consistently updating to it and fixing it. It is already have I think Delir mentioned more than 10,000 users in the app, with a premium subscription. So there's a lot of things coming for Nico. You just guys wait. Delir and everyone, actually, all of us, we were being cooking very, very hard. And there is a lot of implementation of like Jump decks with Nico and, But NFA, guys, by the way, everything is speculation here. So you can pick up which one you like. But I'd say for a safe, if anyone is coming like to Near protocol, the safest coins you can get into is like the OG coins. Nico, you have Shih Tzu, Black Dragon. Help me out, guys, because if I forget one, I'm gonna get roasted.
One, but I'm curious how Gear's gonna do when the Moon token is introduced, which is gonna be potentially the biggest airdrop ever for Near protocol. If everything goes well, it should print, but it depends like on a million factors. By the way, real quick, I know, Monza, you gotta dip here in a second. Do you want to jump in with any takes? Do you have any thoughts on the last couple of topics for Nico or any of the meme coins, or are you looking forward to the moon drop at some point in 2025? I mean, we're almost there. Wait, Monza, I think he's muted right now. Monza, can you hear us?
Yeah, dude, I was lagging out there for a second.
You're good.
Went to check the charts, and then I feel like anytime I went off the screen, it was trying to.
No,
I might have like
I know you're gonna bounce here in a second
to go through or something. What was the question though?
Oh, I was just asking if you had any thoughts on the recent conversation or anything to do with Nico and Jump, or in regards to Meteor Wallet with their Harvest Moon token and how Gear might do when a new token is introduced to that ecosystem.
yeah, I mean, I'm super bullish on Jump and Nico. I don't know too much about the baby AI stuff and all that. Haven't kept up with that as much, but you know, the boys over there at Nico, Soos, Brando, Delir, super bullish on them as always. And Jump, insane. But what they have going on, if they're able to get it going, that's I mean, it looks like easy 10x. Ref, same thing, dude. The fact that it's sitting at like 3 million market cap or whatever the fuck it was, insane. I feel like Ref used to do buybacks back in the day. I could be wrong, but that would have been like 4 years ago at this point. I don't remember. Marcus said
Purge at
Bulla,
30.
Jitsu, etc. All safe bets.
All safe bits. Yeah.
I might be bullish on Bulla after that comment.
Are you gonna go and buy Bulla bag?
I'm trying to. Purge is at 30, by the way.
By the way, to answer a question in the chat, guys, sorry, but it's because Nathan explained it. Can somebody let me know if my baby black dragon is worthless or migrating? So the thing is, they got compromised, and what I understand from Nathan X is like, because I think Nathan X is with them, they're gonna do like they're gonna relaunch the token, and they're gonna do like an airdrop or give it back in equivalent to what you had before. So definitely don't sell it. You know, you have to keep it in your wallet. There will be, I think there was a snapshot or something for the holders.
That's unfortunate because when I saw it dumping, I sold all mine to try and save a few bucks. So.
No way, did you?
Yeah, I caught it on the way down, so I saved a little bit, but yeah.
I don't know really how they will do it. You know, I hear that they're gonna relaunch it on meme.cooking, and then the old one who got affected from the baby black dragon will be compensated.
Oh yeah, it's about all you can do at that point.
Yeah, and then following up, all safe bet, to be honest, on any token that is performing very well so far on Near protocol. I don't think we have the way that things you know on other places is. So Purge is the highest performing token right now. Why you're laughing, Kate?
Monza bought Bulla, not financial advice from Vane. Dude, I can't believe Monza bought this, dude. Unbelievable, this guy.
Dude, that's why I was lagging out. It was because I was trying to buy Bulla.
He bought such a huge order of Bulla that his screen just rugged. Because
it's like
the bag of Bulla weighs down the computer. It's so heavy.
Wait, you actually, what's the market cap of Bulla, man?
130.
Let me see.
It's 175K.
Yeah, 175K. It's actually
so 500. It's a good at 500 market cap. You get like 5x in there, 500K market cap.
Yeah. It's pretty funny that like the raid works because you can't ignore all the comments because they're all about one thing, and you're talking about trading memes on Near, so you have no choice but to look at it. It's probably not good because they can just spit up anything and just raid us now with like 30 people. But by the way, I'm going to choose the winner of the giveaway here in a second. So if you haven't already joined up for the giveaway, all you have to do is follow all three of us. The way you do that is you go, if you're on the X stream, just literally click on the title, click follow on all three of the people in the title, or all four, including me, and then screenshot the stream and post it and tag me, and then retweet the stream. Or if you're super savvy, just quote tweet the stream with a screenshot or something like that. But that's how you enter the giveaway. I'll choose that winner in like 5 minutes when we wrap. And yeah, it'll be dope. It'll be dope. So yeah, big shout out to everyone who's watching.
New launch ADHD token just launched a liquidity pool.
Oh my god!
It says can't stop moving during live stream. So I don't know if that's like strangely specific to what we're.
Will you send me the
here.
link? Should I pull it up? Or do you want to wait? Will you, Zach? Will you share your screen?
I'm just on my phone here. So.
Did it launch on? Did it launch on?
Here, hold on.
Soos, do you want to pull it up, or do one of you guys want to pull it up on your screen?
Yeah, I'm trying to find it.
Okay.
Wait, what is the name of the token? ADHD?
Yeah. Here, let me it's on meme.cooking.
Oh, it is, dude. I'm gonna.
Soos, you know the drill.
Sometime on meme.cooking. Wait, let's check out meme.cooking. Let's see if let's see what we
You
got.
know the drill.
Let's see what we can pump right here on stream. No, I'm kidding. Please don't flip that.
Get rated by ADHD.
Hold on.
Wait, where is it? I can't find it.
What did you say?
Right there, the first one, right there.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh,
It's already cooked, fully cooked.
Dude, what meme.cooking pisses me off so much because as soon as I'm about to click something, it moves, and I don't understand it. Why? Okay, all right, I got it. What's in here so far? Oh, this is
Look at
launched.
this. We should have a weekly podcast. Crypto, he'll come cook for us. You see this?
Hey, Marcus, just like say something if I should buy this token.
Look, if you don't have ADHD and you're in crypto, you're at a disadvantage.
Just a hint.
Yeah, if you're trying to do crypto without ADHD, you're at a disadvantage. So,
hey, when did this drop, by the way?
Like while we've been here.
All right, so it's only up 200%. So if this is gonna run at 1,000% is when I start to panic. So this, if this is gonna run, it's about to run. So I don't know if it's going to. I don't know anything about this token. Who dropped it? Like, do we have any information on this?
I have no idea, to be honest. I'm buying though. And guys, please careful, okay? I'm not telling you to buy. Don't quote me on it, okay? I just got I got small bag and I'm gonna dump it after a couple X's, okay? So that's that. But yeah. Yeah. So apparently people are talking about it for some reason. I don't know.
Yeah,
what did Marcus
we're
say?
talking about it, and then naturally it just starts to just ride straight to the moon. So I guess that's what we're doing here now, right?
I guess
how to buy that.
I'm just trying to figure out what the fuck's going on.
Anyway, let's move on. Kate is buying. Looking at Kate, man. Looking at Kate.
It's like oddly quiet. Wonder what's going on.
My hope was that one of you guys would cover me for a second while I track something down real quick. That's all I was doing.
This segment sponsored by ADHD, not the coin.
Oh yeah. If anyone wants to share the screen, do you want to share your screen?
Yeah.
With what?
Or Zack, one of you guys.
Yeah. But what do you want me to share? The the token.
One tokens. I was gonna say.
Jay says he's been copy trading Soos the whole stream and he's lost his house. So tough break. Tough break for Jay.
No.
Don't copy trade me, man. Don't copy trade me.
Hate to see it.
Who said that? Who was that? Who said that?
Jay, our guy Jay.
Jay, dude, not like this, bro.
Man.
Hey, can someone check Alton? Is Alton doing well? The Balton?
I sold. Sorry, it wasn't doing well, man. I sold.
Bro. Kidding me?
Me too, dude. I sold that Balton.
I just called the SEC for. Yeah. Hey, Cade, people forget we helped as a part to kind of tie everything together here as we're getting accused of we're going to be forwarded along to the SEC for pumping coins, but we once helped facilitate an interview with the SEC commissioner, if you remember, with Erica as well. So that was a pretty cool memory that we had there in Denver. So
I agree, that was a pretty sick memory.
She was pretty cool.
Yep, she was. I was surprised. I didn't know what to expect in that experience, I guess, and I didn't really find out more about Hester until a while after. And then I was like, oh, this is like kind of a flex that we did this, because I didn't realize that Hester is like someone that people revere in crypto. I wasn't at that point yet.
We tried to
aware of
give
that.
her a baddies hat, which she did like the baddies hat, but she was unable to accept gifts
Yeah,
for
she
obvious
wasn't-
reasons. But
she
it
wasn't
was
technically
cool that she
able
did
to.
like the baddies hat.
She did, dude. She enjoyed it, I think. She was super chill. She was it was funny because I like didn't really know her and I knew she was important, but it always gets me because I was helping them with the mics and stuff. We were setting up the video and producing everything right behind the scenes. And they like don't know how to use the mics, like because they're lav mics. Like unless you work in media, you don't know what you're doing with them or where to put them or how to hook them to your shirt and stuff like that. And I was like, oh my God, I have to like show them exactly how to do it. And I was like, it was interesting because I was like in the teacher mode at that point with like this lady who's in these crazy rooms talking about regulations and like deep in the trenches in crypto land in a real way. And I'm like helping her put on the lav mic. But no, the conversation was great. And it was a good time. That was like our first trip together with the Black Dragon squad. And certainly a super fun event. I will say Redacted was pretty awesome though. In Thailand. For people who don't know, Redacted was the conference in Bangkok, and we got the whole team, basically a ton of people from near, all came together, lived in the same vicinity. We all got massages together, group massages. Me and Soos kept going together as couples. It was great. But
oh man,
Bald Tan
these
in the
guys are
house.
still commenting about
Bald
Bula.
Tan's here.
Hey, how's our
we're
token
still
doing?
commenting.
How's ADHD doing?
Pumping.
Is it actually? Oh my God, dude! Balton just commented.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. He's here. Yeah.
That is hilarious. Balton, how's our Hertz token doing? I got it at 7, and I'm right back in where I bought. Great, guys. Can the devs help? Can we do anything here?
what is
I
that?
bought the token. It's supposed to go up. What happened? Yo, keep retweeting the stream. If you guys are enjoying it, we're gonna go for another minute or so. Soos, is there anything else, or Zach, anything else we should talk about? Any tokens we should bring up, or
I think
last things before I choose this giveaway winner?
No, guys, it's okay. For everyone who maybe come across this podcast, it's gonna be recorded as well, and you're watching. Welcome, guys, to Near Protocol. Have fun. Everyone is very friendly, and so far our memes are safe. And so that laugh was like. So Zack, you agree? Was like, but yeah, guys, that's all what I want to say.
Your memes are safe until
ecosystem.
Soos has enough time to dump on them. That's right. That's really.
Oh
what
man, come on,
right?
man! Don't. Well, yeah. Okay, so the biggest one who dumped here. Okay, and no, he's actually that's the reason he's not here, because he's literally trading now. Is Jay? So I know he's watching.
Oh, dude, yeah, Jay took this opportunity to trade while we were out here. He was like, I'll jump on a future stream, but these boys are gonna pump my bags for sure.
He's like, I'm gonna go trade whatever you guys are talking about. Like, I'm just gonna get like it's a great live trading opportunity here. Right?
Hey guys, you talk about the token and I will buy. That's Jay's strategy.
Bro, the ADHD token.
But what he didn't know was what he wasn't sure yet is whether it was going to go up or down based on us talking about it. So that's the benefit there.
Mm-hmm. Dude, ADHD.
So, okay, a question.
Pumping. Do you think this is from us? Actually, there's no way. Like,
I don't know. It's can't sit still during live streams. I was like, man,
bro,
like
we're at 88K.
That seems strangely like targeted almost.
What?
Because it's like ADHD can't. The catch line to it said can't sit still during live streams, and I was like, man, like I know that like. It seems oddly specific. Like, I
didn't even think about that. That is really interesting.
Yeah, see, look at up in the top right. Can't stop moving during live streams.
Oh, dude, someone just bought such a huge wick that just happened.
I know who's that, by the way.
Oh my god!
I know who bought that.
Oh my gosh, what is happening? I said it like 2 minutes ago. I said if this is gonna pump, it's gonna be right now because it was still at 56K. Like these things run if it's the same day, or they just don't. They either run or they just don't.
Well, I was so distracted. Oh my god, I should have put bigger bag. But anyway,
Yeah, probably.
we are live trading now, guys.
Yeah, when we
This
said
is-
live trading, MEMECOIN live trading, we didn't really specify who was going to
Yeah.
be doing the live trading, right?
Well, this is what
Yeah.
they do on the streams. I mean, like, this is kind of how it goes. I mean, you're just like looking at things and you're just talking, and camera's on, you're just rolling. There's tons of tokens here. Like, if we bought into another token, there's a chance that one would run. It'd actually be kind of interesting to see if there's a couple more shows that end up popping up too. What that looks like. Damn, dude, that's crazy. It just 2x'd in like.
Marcos, you got something for us?
Monza, not a believer, a believer.
I believe it.
Monza went to go
Mr.
tank.
G.
Monza just went to go tank the bull charts, the bulla charts.
Dude, all I want is my Alton bags to pump.
Kill your bags, bro.
Dude,
But yeah, you got in pretty early, Cade, right? You did freeze for 5 minutes trying to get in.
yeah, I think I got it. I don't know. Let me see. I tried to do some transactions. I don't my computer's like lagging, so I think things are going through, but I don't actually know if they are.
Oh man,
Monza's not a believer. I'm dead. Did any of my stuff go through? I don't even know if my stuff's going through. This is what they do on Spaces, by the way, Zach, on like Jordan Spaces. They do live trading, but half the stream is quiet. Like people are just clicking. So like half the stream, half their space is like mouse clicking, and like 1,000 people tune in, dude. It's so interesting. Oh my gosh! All right, I need to get this off the screen.
I'm up pretty good on ADHD, guys.
Are you?
Yeah.
Dude, is Zach? I think Zach bought like I feel like Zach bought like a really huge bag, and he's just like
Dude,
looking at
Zach-
his bag and being like, "Oh my god, like I'm rich."
He have been smiling for the last 3 minutes, man.
Yeah,
He's
like,
laughing for the
are
last
you-
3 minutes.
Zach, did you make a huge bag or something? Like,
no, it's just. I mean, I don't know. I'm getting emails here from the SEC, so I don't know.
oh man. Okay, well, is there any other stories we should hit on, or should we wrap?
Nothing, guys. Welcome to the live trading.
It seems like as Marcus says, we are trying to make near great again here, right? I think maybe we're on the right track here. I think maybe we've found something here that we can run with, right, guys?
Yeah,
I like it. Yeah, I think it's been fun. This is super chill.
I think it's really nice. Again, guys, everything is said here is our own personal opinion. Please do your due diligence to investigate or make your research before you buy into any token. Yeah, everyone is jet lagging. Everyone is lagging right now, trying to buy. This is what's happening in the last 5 minutes between us here, guys. So everyone is buying. You can see Zach is the most quiet one because Zach
Zach
in.
has been loading up the whole stream and just being like, dude, I'm so rich.
Kate, I will tell you something. Zach gets in and gets out. No one know. And his strategy is, Soos, did you sell? I was like, no. I was like, oh my God, man, why did you sell, Soos? And then you check Zach and you ask him, Zach, are you holding? And he's like, nah, I got out long time ago. I was like,
Dude, I'm telling you, Zach's a sneaky one.
dude, Zach loaded a big bag because he froze for 5 minutes and then he started laughing for 3 minutes. So
Oh, Now it all makes sense. Now that's why this guy's cheesing, bro. His face is all red. He's got a huge smile on his face. Like, dude, this guy's guilty. Zack
Bro, Zack is buying.
Yo, this would be the funniest thing of all time, actually. This would be so funny. And we're just sitting here, we're like, oh, that is the most plausible case I've ever heard, actually, for this.
I can't.
This is really starting to add up now. That's why, dude, Zack was late to the stream. Do you remember this, Soos? Zack was launching this coin. That's why he was taking a long time.
I cannot take credit here. I might be able to take credit for not being able to stop moving during live streams, as is the catch line. I can take credit to that, but I can't take credit to launching the coin itself. Only
the cracker up 4 to 5x on ABG bag in the past 48 hours. Holy smokes, 4 to 5x? What? Is that right? 2 days? Yeah, I guess that's right.
And what?
On ABG. How's it doing right now? Oh man, it's just chopping. Oh shoot, dude, just a big wick down just now.
Because everybody's dumping to buy ADHD and Bulla.
How's Purge doing? Purge has corrected from that all-time high a little bit. It's just chilling. ADHD correcting now from 225 top. Oh, it's correcting fast right now. Let me pull it up again. Look at this. This thing's crashing. It might recover around here. It might recover around this area.
No.
But it's crashing kind of quick.
It's still at like 150K market cap. So
if we see one big purchase right here, this will continue up.
We gotta wait
if we don't see a $700, $800 purchase right here around this region. Oh, here we go.
Jay's trying to tank the chart behind the scenes. Don't let Jay feel pressure.
If you're bullish on the chart, this is a decent entry. If you're not bullish on the chart, this is probably a decent exit. By the way, like right here where it's lagging, just while there's a little bit of a place to get out before you lose 40% to fees, kind of thing. This looks like it's going to be a decision point.
Are you literally trying to get it down so you can get an entry?
No, I'm out of the trade. I don't care. You have me on
I'm actually buying.
Right,
I'm buying more now.
You can do whatever you want. I'm like, you guys can see me on my screen right now, and I don't have my phone in my other hand. Like, I'm not buying right now. I'm just speculating that like the price has slowed down right here. This is like around the last time it slowed down. So around this point is when people are going to make a decision. They're either going to pump it from here and we continue up, or they sell and we never see this chart ever again. It turns into an MCN. Like I said, I'm just speculating. I have no idea. I don't hold any of this right now. Okay, let's.
I'm mainly, I can't read chat right now, but I have like a couple of my friends are asking me like hold and buy. So I did that. So I don't know what's going on in the background, but yeah, for anyone who made couple X's, congratulations guys. But that was a crazy launch, yeah? It went to like 200K market cap.
Yeah. Well, I mean, it made sense. Like with that kind of thing, that chart, unless I see it say 1,000x or 1,000% in the 24-hour, if it's gonna run, it runs to that, and it literally went. It went like 1,500% or something like that, and then it corrected. Now it's at 1,000%. But like typically from these coins, once they've hit, they either make it there or they don't, and so that's literally the bet you're making. The good thing is your risk is somewhat mitigated when it comes out the gate, because there's like a certain price that a lot of people have locked in their bets on. Like for example, I was inside of the meme.cooking play for what was it called? Do not buy this, I think it was, from yesterday. And it launched and it like 6x out the gate, and I was sleeping. And I woke up and it was like down 90% from what it pumped to, and I like pulled out my initial, I think, and I just like didn't make any money. So because of that, like there's almost like a locked in amount of liquidity in there that you can get. So on the near coins, at least in my opinion, it pays to pay attention because there's not that many options. You can make good money. I feel like there's less risk of getting absolutely wrecked comparative to like Solana, just because of the amount of coins that are being launched every moment. So that's just my thoughts on it. Soos, I'll throw it over to you for like a final take, and then get Zach's final take. But feel free to talk about anything you want.
To follow up with what Kate say, mainly because the meme coins on Near doesn't move as fast as Solana. Okay, and so you're a bit safer to like hold for a couple of days. Anyway, thank you everyone for tuning in, and this was very very fun, to be honest. I hope you guys learned one or two things, from us. Enjoyed the show, and yeah, man. We're gonna end the stream, and I'm gonna go and check my bags because I was 10x a while ago, but I didn't sell. So
10?
yeah,
On what?
I got in pretty early. On ADHD.
On what?
ADHD.
Oh,
Around
really?
8-10. Yeah, I got in like.
Your bag, bro. You didn't even tell me, bro. Soos. That also. So this whole time, Soos has been drawing attention to Zack to take attention off of himself because his bags were so up. He was like, dude, if I just don't say anything,
Yeah, that's the thing. It's like we don't know the links that Soos will go to be able to dump on our heads. Like we've been slowly learning this. Like as we've been.
This guy's wearing a McDonald's hat. What do we expect here?
I can't. The thing is, I really don't want to dox my wallet, but I can show you my position. I actually bought like 100 Near at that dip. so yeah.
Oh wow! Wait, you're up 1,000 Near right now?
I'm not, dude. Come on, man. I only put like a couple Near at the start for the fun. I said I bought the dip just now, like a while ago. But the boys in the group know my wallet, man. So
what is
they can check it.
What is imported to meme.cooking mean?
I don't.
You know, Zack?
No, I don't know. I thought that things get exported from meme.cooking. I didn't know that there was an importing mechanism for meme.cooking, right? I thought you launched there and then it.
Yeah, I don't know.
Could be
Marcus,
wrong.
If you're in the chat and you want to explain, please do. Otherwise, Zack, I'll throw it to you for final take.
Yeah, no, I was just gonna say. I mean, obviously, we're having fun here. We like to talk and shop, right? Obviously, most importantly, is to be careful out there, kids, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like, just make sure that you are getting involved only what you are okay losing, but at the same time it's fun, right? I mean, this is kind of a little bit of an unprecedented time where we're getting these these little flare-ups here and there, these little things that are sprouting up and kind of running a little bit, which is something that we're not entirely used to seeing here, at least in Near per se, but it's fun. I enjoy the ride, but obviously be responsible and also know that we're being serious, but we're also kidding. So it's we're not like seriously trying to pump things, at least not yet. So
I had no idea these were actually going to pump because
this is real time. This is like real time reactions. We were like, oh look, something just launched. Let's pull up the chart. Well,
yeah, and I lost I lost all my bag now.
You lost all your bag? What do you mean? What happened?
Man, Soos get wrecked live.
Oh,
no, next week's show,
we're gonna
next
week's show, we're gonna see Zack get wrecked live.
Oh no, dude, that is really funny. Listen, before we wrap, I'm gonna choose the winner. I've got the giveaway winner right here of $100 in whatever. Oh, by the way, we got an answer here. Like they imported tokens like Black Dragon or Long to their website. What do we think about that? I don't know if I have a thought on that. I don't know what that means. I wasn't there for Black Dragon or Long for when they dropped, to be honest. Soos, Zack, any thoughts on this question? In relation to Bullet being imported to meme.cooking, they said like they imported Black Dragon and Long. I wasn't there for the launch though for Black Dragon or Long.
But I don't know that meme.
I was in Black Dragon, but meme.cooking wasn't there. Black Dragon was launched standard liquidity. Yeah, it's imported to meme.cooking. So basically, AGT was talking about it yesterday in the space. They are trying to import the token into the site. But that doesn't mean it was launched there. So a long was launched in imported. Standard liquidity.
I'm looking now. Yeah, so you imported. So, I see. So it's just like another way of buying. You can go there, you can buy, just like you would. Yeah. So okay, this is kind of cool. You can click import it, and then it's just kind of a way to a new avenue, a new channel to where you can buy just like you would anywhere else. So yeah, no, this is cool. I think it's good. I think it's supportive of the overall ecosystem, and it's a good way to kind of, make it easier, right? Abstract the chain and make it easier to get it for entry for anyone, no matter where they come from. Whether they start out at meme.cooking, then they can find a good way to on-ramp into things that are more established and blue chip projects like Black Dragon, Long Gear, right? So that's what I see. That's my take on it.
True. Right on. Soos, any last thoughts, or are we good?
Nothing much. Just then, thank you everyone, and this was all live reaction. By the way, we have not coordinated any buy and sell and all of that. So yeah, we bring you the Near experience live. So thank you everyone for watching. Marcus as well for saving us couple time from some questions. But
Shout out. And by the way, big shout out to the winner, Femi, for winning the giveaway money. So Femi, I'm gonna hop in your DMs right after the stream and ask about which token you want me to grab, and I'll send you $100 for participating in this giveaway.
I'll get you his wallet and what token he wants.
Perfect.
He's one of Nico Morning Show OGs. I'm really happy that
Let's go. Young says thank you for dude. We did not pump Ola. But yeah, shout out to all of you for coming through. Be sure to like and retweet if you enjoyed the stream. I'll probably do a few more of these. I really enjoy these. It's a lot of fun. And have an amazing rest of your day. Happy Thanksgiving if you guys are celebrating that. Happy Thanksgiving. And I don't think I'm going to be doing too much else on the timeline, but that's probably going to be a lie. If these tokens start pumping, I'm going to get active on the timeline again. But hope you guys stuff your face. Zack and Soos, thank you for coming through, guys, and Monza as well earlier. I think this is pretty fun. So we'll see you guys later. And everyone else, be sure to follow Zack, Soos, and Monza. Have an amazing rest of your day. Near to the moon, baby. $1 million near is FUD.